imagine pale skin, light eyes, and golden hair. But for most of human history, that image would have been completely wrong. According to groundbreaking new research by Silvia Garato, a geneticist at the University of Ferrara in Italy, most ancient Europeans, from the Ice Age through the Stone Age and even into the Iron Age, had dark skin, dark hair, and dark eyes. The study, published on February 12th on the preprint server bioRxiv, is one of the largest ever of its kind. Giraudot and her team analyzed 348 ancient DNA samples from archaeological sites spanning 34 countries across Europe and Asia. And what they found rewrites everything we thought we knew about the European past. Light skin, light eyes, blonde hair, these were mutations. And they were rare, until very recently. The data shows that lighter traits only began to emerge around 14,000 years ago, during the late Paleolithic, a time still deep within the Old Stone Age. But even then, these features were sporadic, flickering through the gene pool, barely present, until they finally became more common only about 3,000 years ago. That means for tens of thousands of years, Europe was a continent of dark-skinned people, and that reality didn't shift until well into the Copper Age, and even later in some regions. As Carles Lalueza Fox, paleogeneticist at Barcelona's Institute of Evolutionary Biology, put it, it came as a surprise that genes for dark pigmentation remained widespread in Europe up until the Iron Age. In his words, this is relatively recent in genetic terms. Among the individuals studied was a child, just 1 year old, who lived 17,000 years ago in Europe. His DNA showed dark skin, dark hair, and blue eyes. A haunting combination. A rare outlier. A glimpse into the unpredictable nature of evolution. Lighter skin likely gave an advantage in the low sunlight of Europe, helping early humans absorb more vitamin D. But blue or green eyes, those didn't seem to offer any evolutionary edge. Their rise may have been fueled by nothing more than sexual selection, or sheer genetic chance. Many of the ancient samples were degraded, so the team used advanced methods, probabilistic phenotype inference and the Hirisplex S system, to estimate the physical features from incomplete DNA. These weren't guesses. They were probabilities rooted in hard genetics. The Europe we see today is a snapshot in a long, ever-changing story. And for most of that story, it looked nothing like the world we know now.